This part of Tel Aviv-Yafo is a miracle. A small oasis of a calm and green, surrounded by highways and urban development. Today we are adding another wonderful element, a bird observatory. I want to thank everyone who has helped us create this small oasis. So a special gratitude to the JNF, to the Besen family, and for all of you.
We experienced the horrific Maccabiah disaster. And yet, precisely at that difficult time, the Jewish community of Australia displayed outstanding nobility of spirit. The community chose to adopt the Yarkon and has worked tirelessly to change the face of the river and rehabilitate it. Residents of the center of the country deserve their own accessible green areas.
When you look around this country and you see what's been achieved in a very short space of time and against any number of odds, it's little short of remarkable. Australia's very happy to have played a small part in this story, whether it be through a very active and vibrant Jewish community in Australia that is so Zionist in spirit and makes the survival and flourishing of the State of Israel such an important part of their lives and their commitment. Whether it's through organisations in cooperation with KKL-JNF.
I remember the time when we had the whole family in Israel, about 30 years ago. We are now here again with the whole family. At that time there were about 15 or 16. There are now 31. So we're all growing, but we're also seeing how wonderful this area has grown. And we are delighted to be here and play a small part in being able to make this area greener and the whole of Israel grow.